Are you thinking about drinking and driving? You can't do both. You might be a great driver, but you can easily lose control. It might only be just down the road, but you could cause serious injury to yourself or others.
Worse still, that extra pint could be the reason that you kill somebody.
How would you feel sat in a custody cell? How would you tell your family? Do you think you'd still have a job?
Under arrest for failing the roadside breath test. You don't have to say anything may harm your defence. Do not mention when questioned something may later on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
What would you do when you're stripped of your licence, your car, your independence?
Do you think your time behind bars would change you? Life will never be the same. And all for a drink.
Is it really worth it?
So let me ask you again, are you thinking about drinking and driving?